Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? In the early 1800s, the Cherokee scholar Sequoyah created the first script, or writing system for a indigenous language in the United States. Because it represented the sounds of spoken Cherokee so accurately, his script was easy to learn, and thus quickly achieved blank use. By 1830, over 90% of the Cherokee people could read and write it. The text highlights how the Cherokee scholar Sequoyah created the first script for a indigenous language, and it highlights how the script represented the sounds of spoken Cherokee so accurately. And because of this, the script was easy to learn and quickly achieved very large use or um, high use. And this is emphasized by the fact that by the 1830, over 90% of the Cherokee people could read and write it. So the best word for this blank would highlight how the script achieved such high use in such quick time. So option choice A says widespread. So this seems to be the correct answer because this use effectively achieves that goal, which is highlighting how it achieved high use in such a short period. And the widespread highlights how it achieved very widespread use, or that many people across many different areas learned to use this script. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B, careful. This is incorrect because careful does not properly highlight the high use of this script made by Sequoyah. And these rest of the sentence doesn't support this either, where it highlights the 90% of Cherokee people could read and write this script. So this nowhere in this text does it show anything about the quickly achieving careful use. Instead, it highlights how it achieved widespread use. So B must be incorrect. C, unintended. This is incorrect because quickly achieved unintended use doesn't make sense, because to learn this script, you must intend to learn it. Therefore, it's illogical to say that they achieved unintended use. So C is incorrect. D, infrequent. This is incorrect because the text suggests the opposite, where infrequent means not common, but instead the text highlights how it achieved very common use or widespread use. Therefore, D is incorrect, and the correct answer must be A.